Okay, this puncture we have just repaired with our toolkit. You will find this is new puncture, and also I'm going to show you some more puncture we have repaired, like this one. Another one here. This one it's longer. It's almost half here. And here, one more here. Okay, this one. Yeah, this is new. I think it's almost 2 weeks ago. And here, fine. Inside also one. That one. Okay, this car is under driving and no any problems. But for customers, for your own driving, we don't suggest for so many puncture repairs in one tire and not safe. Okay, so welcome to follow me and check more details. Thank you.